Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Unice hair, and I'll be installing this beautiful reddish brown closure wig unit from them. Make sure you guys head over to their site and participate in their Unice app community activities where you'll win free wigs and various prizes. So I'm gonna need you all to run over there, go ahead and get you one of these. Plus you guys already know this is the color that looks good on every black girl, so it's a must. While you guys watching me install this, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys the rundown about this hair. So they sent me a 20-inch body wave, reddish brown 4x4 closure wig. It is a regular transparent lace and the knots were fairly small. It didn't have to be bleached, but I went ahead and bleached it just because, and you know, it gives that more of like a scalp-like look to me. I did pluck the closure after bleaching, but nothing too crazy, and after the install I did go back in and pluck it a little more for a natural look. I did notice that when I was washing the hair, the color was coming off in the water, and by the third co-wash it was no longer coming out. I did get some shedding, but not too much. I've had this hair in for about 2 going on 3 weeks now, and I've installed it twice. It's still holding up pretty good and it holds curls. The shedding hasn't increased at all. Shipping took about 4 business days, and I rate this hair an 8.5 out of 10. When I finished installing this hair, it did not look as flawless as I expected it to. I did put a little bit too much foundation on the lace and it made it look dark. I'm assuming it's because it's colored hair, so that's why I did that. But yeah, I went ahead and I plucked it some more, and then I added a lighter color concealer on top of the lace to make it look more natural, and it looked way better after. So I definitely do recommend this hair. So enjoy the video and thumbs up if you like it, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.